Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a meme coin on Ethereum. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is understand the basics. Ethereum blockchain network supports smart contracts which are used to create and manage tokens. Most tokens including meme coins follow the ERC20 standard to ensure compatibility with wallets, exchanges and dApps. Second is to prerequisites. Basic programming knowledge, familiarity with Solidity, Ethereum programming language and blockchain basics, development tools like Text Editor, Node.js and NPM, Wallet, Testnet ETH and smart contract frameworks. Third is to write the smart contract. So here's an example of a basic ERC20 token contract for a meme coin. And then next is to set up development environment, install Node.js and NPM, then install Hardhat, create a Hardhat project, install dependencies, and then fifth is to deploy the contract, write a development script, and then second is to deploy to testnet and then run deployment. And once all that's done, verify on Etherscan. Use Hardhat Etherscan plugin to verify your contact on Etherscan. And then next is to launch the meme coin, distribute tokens, market the coin, list on DEX, and that's a couple of steps that you can do. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.